welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Y'all, I have an unboxing to do. Now, this product was not sent to me. I paid for this product with my own money because I really needed a blender. Yeah, so I've gotten this blender from Sam's, and it was $99. Yes. So I am a member of the Sam's Club. I was able to get discounts on some products that I had purchased from them. I wanted to come and unbox this because I have something that I gotta make for other people. This blender not only comes with a picture, it also comes with 2 single blending cups. Yes. I'm gonna show you the box, show you what it looks like. The picture itself and the 2 extra cups. Now this blender, it is a 1400 peak watt motor base. It's good for making smoothies, your favorite beverages. Let me just go ahead and open it up. It does have a 10-year of total crushing power, 20% faster blade speed, 30% more functionality. So let me go ahead and open it up. So it comes here with your Ninja pamphlet if you decide to get one. Has instructions on how to clean it. You can register your product, which I am going to register. And this is the quick start guide. How to start, working your Ninja blender. Okay. So let me bring you up closer so that I can show you the blender. And it does come neatly packaged. And here's the picture here, nicely wrapped. I had one of these years ago, but my next door neighbor broke it. I know I should have, had her to pay for it, but it's okay. It was a little girl that made a mistake and dropped it. So this is the picture. And its lid. And it says peel off, which I'm going to peel off. And it does have an arrow here to show you where to secure your lid. So an arrow, and it's showing an arrow here. So and there you have it. Then it is secured more with more I guess, I don't know what you call these. It's not styrofoam, but protection. And here is the base. This is the base of the blender. the card here. That's how you place it on there to lock it. I guess you can place it on here in many ways. Let me see. I'm not sure, but I guess you place it like this. Okay, let's see. No. Okay. Place it like this. I am loving this blender, y'all, already. So I'm going to show y'all the cups that come with it. This is what the cups looks like. And you also can drink from this cup as well. You can blend with it and you can drink from it. Okay. It comes with 2 lids for your cups. And here is the blender base for the cups. Okay. Place it on your cup like this. What it looks like. Then you're going to place it here, and use your features down here. So let me show y'all up close. It does have suction cups at the bottom so that it will not move on you when you get ready to blend up your ingredients. Then it has your off and on button here. It has a feature here that you can mix your smoothies. It has a feature here to where you can use it to crush your ice. And then also here to extract. You can blend on low, medium, high, or pulsate. In case you just want to pulse it. Just hit this button. Okay, off and on button here. So y'all, this is just a quick video. It's not a review for anybody else. I just wanted to show you all what I picked up at Sam's because I really need it. I'm going to make some sea moss gel for a couple of people. So I need a high power blender. The Ninja blender is it. And y'all, it does come with 2 cups. You can drink from it. You can also blend with it, and you can drink from it. Has your blender cups. So, okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.